get somewhere, you have to allow somebody to hold you accountable. Like you're trying to reach something great, because it's gonna get times to where you're gonna hit some stuff and you're gonna retract back. See, naturally when we feel pain, we say, I'm not gonna do it right now. We might procrastinate or that may not have been for me. What happens is when you allow somebody to hold you accountable through your excuses, that's when you're able to reach the things that you're supposed to reach. So when I'm waking up in the morning, and if I'm not at the gym by a certain time, or if I'm not somewhere by a certain time, somebody's gonna text me and say, wait, where are you? Hey, don't be lazy, don't give me no excuses, where are you? Teachers, they're telling you certain things, and you may get an attitude or you may snap back because, truth be told, you may just be uncomfortable with whatever it is they say. Maybe they deliver it the way you want it. But if you allow them to hold you accountable, and this is what I've been seeing for real. Everybody wants to do what they want to do until they receive some results that they don't want. That's then is when they want to go to somebody. Everybody want to do what they want to do until they don't receive the results